We've been told the same lie for decades, that the deep ocean floor is a silent, motionless desert, a place where time stands still. But miles beneath the waves, there are invisible hurricanes raging in total darkness. They are called Benthic Storms, and they're changing how we understand our planet. How does it happen? It doesn't start with clouds. It starts with surface currents. When massive currents like the Gulf Stream twist and create instabilities, they spin up deep-reaching oceanic cyclones. This kinetic energy gets pushed straight down to the seafloor. Suddenly, an area that has been calm for months is hit with currents strong enough to roll stones the size of quarters. On land, a storm brings rain. In the abyss, a Benthic storm creates an underwater blizzard of mud. It strips the seafloor, suspending millions of tons of ancient sediment into giant swirling dust balls called nebuloid layers that can stretch for hundreds of miles. For the creatures living down here, it's an absolute cataclysm. Animals like deep-sea sponges and corals rely on crystal clear water to fill their feet. When a Benthic storm hits, their feeding apparatuses are instantly choked with mud. Entire communities are buried alive, while scavenging deep-sea creatures are forced to flee the area for months until the dust finally settles. But it gets weirder. Recent data shows that when a massive atmospheric hurricane rages on the surface, its concentrated energy waves can strike the underwater continental shelf like a hammer. This interaction releases so much kinetic force that it triggers a stormquake. That is, a literal, measurable 3.5 magnitude earthquake born entirely from storm in the sky. The weather above is literally shaking the earth below. The ocean isn't just a body of water with a floor. It's a churning single engine where a breeze on the surface can start a tempest in the abyss. Next time you look at a calm sea, remember, miles below, a storm might be raging.